Hello guys, Jai Hind. Welcome to S Online. BPCL release advertisement recruitment for entry level profile. Let's see the detail given by the BPCL in this PDF. Commencement of online application will start from 18th of April 2026 and last date of online application 17th of May 2026. Okay, profiles on offer. So here mentioned profile, upper age limit, educational qualification, work experience, and last is indicative vacancies. Okay, first profile is junior executive engineering, where upper age limit is 32 and educational qualification is diploma in engineering in mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, electronics, civil, chemical engineering, all are included. Minimum 5 years of experience is required and total number of vacancies are 175. Second, junior executive account 35 years, minimum is 30 years. And essential qualification inter CA or inter CMA plus graduation. 5 years experience, 25 number of vacancies. Junior executive wayside amenities 32 years maximum age, upper age, and essential qualification BCom or BBA, BSc, BMS and BHM. 5 years experience required for 10 vacancies. Secretary BPCL, upper age 32, class 10, class 12, bachelor degree with 3 years course and 5 years experience required with 8 vacancies, indicative vacancies. Associate executive quality assurance 35 year upper age limit and qualification MSc chemistry with specialization in chemistry, organic, physical or inorganic, analytical and polymer. 3 years experience required for 30 vacancies. Last is associate executive official language implementation, upper age 35, master in Hindi, qualification required with 3 years of experience and indicative vacancies are 2. So you have to know the job profile. Okay. Qualification for junior executive engineering. Candidate must have passed diploma in engineering 3 years course in mechanical, electrical, instrumentation, electronics, civil, chemical engineering from a recognized university with minimum 55% of aggregative percentage. Okay, relaxed to 50% for SC, ST and PWBD candidate. Core discipline and eligible degree as mentioned on degree certificate, mechanical, eligible degree, mechanical, electrical and electronics also required. Instrumentation, eligible degree and mention the degree certificate, instrumentation and control, instrumentation and electronics and instrumentation all are included. Electronics, where electronics and communication included. Civil, chemical and petrochemical. So these are qualification. Now let's see work experience. Minimum 5 years of continuous post qualification relevant work experience including 1 year in managerial supervisory role. And these are the important details for the work experience. Okay, you have to go through this PDF which will upload in the description part of this video. Upper age limit 32 years, age relaxation as per the government norms, OBC non-creamy layer 3 years, SC, ST 5 years. Okay. Next, job profile for junior executive accounts. Essential qualification, graduate any discipline with minimum 55% aggregate percentage. Relaxed to 50% for SC, ST and PWBD candidates and have passed the CA intermediate or CMA intermediate from CA or CMA institute respectively. Essential work experience, 5 years work experience required and all the details of work experience is also mentioned. Upper age limit minimum 30 years and maximum 35 years for general and EWS. Okay, upper age relaxation for all the other category SC, ST, OBC mentioned here. That means as per the government norms, upper age relaxation is given by the BPCL. Job profile for junior executive, wayside, amenities, highway, rest stops. Essential qualification, bachelor degree, BCom, BBA, BSc, BMS, BHM with 55% of aggregative percentage and relaxed 50% for the SC, ST and PWD candidates. Key challenges and expectation, these are: first is site operation and facility support, you have to know the detail. Second is customer service and on-ground support, you have to know the categories mentioned by the BPCL. Vendor, cash and operation coordination. Fourth is reporting, training and operational support. Work experience as on 1st of April 2024, minimum 5 years and 3 years of cumulative experience within any of the following categories. All categories are mentioned here. Desired skills also mentioned. Upper age limit for general and EWS 32 years. And upper age for the SC, ST and PWBD candidates, OBC candidates as per the government norms, required as per the government norms. Job profile for secretary in BPCL. Bachelor degree, 3 years course with minimum 55% and aggregate and relaxed to 50% for SC, ST and PWD candidates. And class 12 with 55% marks in aggregate and 50% for SC, ST and PWBD candidates. Class 10 with minimum 55% marks and relaxed to 50% for SC, ST and PWBD candidates. Key challenges here also mentioned for this job profile. Work experience, 5 years work experience as secretarial assistant and secretary or similar roles. Desired skill is mentioned. Upper age limit for general and EWS 32 years. Okay. And as per the government norms for the relaxation of other than general and EWS. Essential qualification: inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry, analytical chemistry with minimum 60% and relaxed to 55% for SC, ST and PWBD candidates. Desired skills: essential work experience, 3 years work experience, relevant work experience in laboratory in petroleum or oil and gas, petrochemical industry and chemical industry. Upper age limit 35 years for general and EWS candidates. And age relaxation for SC, ST and PWD as per the government norms. Next job profile is associate executive official, language implementation. So candidates should have to pass master degree in Hindi. Okay, 2 years course with minimum 55% and 50% for candidates belonging to SC, ST and PWBD. The candidates should have studied English as a subject in class 12 or graduation with minimum 55% and relaxed to 50% for SC, ST and PWBD candidates. Key challenge and expectations here mentioned. Go through this PDF which will be uploaded. Essential work experience: minimum 3 years of post qualification work experience in translation work from English to Hindi and vice versa. Relevant pre-qualification work experience, if any, shall also be considered for the purpose of determining eligibility. And work experience as on 1/4/2026. Desired skill: upper age limit 35 years for general and EWS, and as per the government norms, age relaxation will apply for the relaxation category OBC, non-creamy layer, SC, ST also. Next is application process. Online application will be accepted from 18th April to 17th of May, 23:59 hours, and no other mode of the application will be accepted. At first, if you are interested and eligible, then candidates are requested to apply online on job openings after reading the detail of this advertisement. And please follow the mentioned below before you have to fill the online application. You have to produce your all documents at the time duration of your document verification. These are mentioned. Now let's see application and registration. Candidate visit to the BPCL website and apply online, which will be open in new screen. The registration, register application, choose to the tab, click here for the new registration and enter name, contact details and email ID and fill your all details, your personal information, okay, your home address, your essential qualification and your desired skill, okay, whichever required for this important job profile, all important job profile, and go through save and next and then submit. But at first you have to pay rupees 1180, okay, application fee. General, OBC, non-creamy layer, EWS candidate are required to pay non-refundable amount of rupees 1180. Payment gateway charges applicable for 1000 for application fee and GST 18% 180. That means 1180 for UR, OBC and EWS. SC, ST and PWD candidates are exempted from payment of application. So you have to pay application fee. Payment mode, you have to pay your application fee with the help of your debit card, UPI and credit card, net banking and status of automatically change to your transaction successfully completed. Okay. So these are details given by the BPCL. For clarification, if any, reach out to us by the writing an email to z_hrd_co_recruit@bharatpetroleum.in. If you need any suggestion, if you need any clarification from BPCL, then you have to write a mail in this domain. Okay. So these are details given by the BPCL. Selection process. So this is the detail. You have to go through computer based test, then case based discussion, personal interview and any other test, pre-employment, medical examination, etc. required for this important job profile. Okay. Medical standards. And now here designation, pay scale and CTC, approximate CTC given. Junior executive and secretary post 30,000 to 1,20,000 per month. CTC 12.28 lakh per annum. Okay. Associate executive 40,000 to 1,40,000 and CTC 17.11 lakh per annum. And you will also get DA, IDA pattern, house rent, HRA, perks and allowances, all are included for your job profile. Probation and placement. Selected candidate would be on probation for 1 year and from the date of the joining extended in case of the satisfactory performance. Upon successful completion of the probation period, they will be considered for confirmation as per company policy. That means 1 year probation period is also mentioned. You have to visit the website and download this PDF, and if you want to download the PDF from this description part of the video, then go through this important video and see the detail and fill the application form for this important post. Okay, so we will meet in next video. So tata, bye bye, Jai Hind to all of you.